Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make hummus for weight loss. Hummus is a fantastic, healthy dip that can truly support your goals. It's packed with fiber and protein, helping you feel full and satisfied for longer. Making it yourself means you control every ingredient, avoiding unnecessary additives and unhealthy fats often found in store-bought versions. This simple recipe is a delicious way to boost your nutrient intake. To start, you'll need one 15-ounce can of chickpeas, drained but with some liquid reserved. Next, add 2 tablespoons of tahini, which is a sesame seed paste, for that classic creamy texture. Fresh lemon juice and a couple of garlic cloves are essential for bright, zesty flavor. Finally, a small amount of olive oil will add richness and healthy fats, but you can adjust this to your preference for a lower-fat version. Combine all your ingredients in a food processor or high-speed blender. Blend until the mixture is wonderfully smooth and creamy, scraping down the sides as needed. If it's too thick, gradually add a few tablespoons of the reserved chickpea liquid or water until you reach your desired consistency. Feel free to customize with spices like cumin or paprika, or try adding roasted red pepper or fresh spinach for unique, healthy variations. Serve your homemade hummus with fresh vegetable sticks like carrots or cucumber, or with whole grain pita bread for a satisfying snack. Remember that portion control is key for weight loss, so be mindful of your serving sizes. Store any leftovers in an airtight container in the refrigerator, where it will stay fresh for up to 5 days. You can also drizzle a thin layer of olive oil on top to help maintain its freshness. Enjoy this versatile dip as a healthy snack or a delicious meal component.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.